Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2010 Land Rover Discovery. We are doing a wheel bearing and hub assembly. With that, the hub and bearing have to be pressed in, but that is going to be done at a different location. So, quick down and dirty. This brake caliper bracket comes off. Two 18s in the back. Whole piece comes up, slides out of the way. The camber adjusting bolt up at the top for the upper control arm comes off. This big nut right down there for that one comes off, which is for the lower control arm. And as far as this sway bar link right here, that is fun to get to. I had to back out the CV axle in order to be able to even get to that nut right there, because the CV axle itself was in the way. So once you get that pulled apart, then you can get to that nut right there in order to take it out. I had to use an impact gun with an extension. Brake cable here comes off. It's a T30 35 Torx bit right there. Walk the cable out. Drum comes off, sorry, hub comes off. You have to take off the rear brake shoes for the parking brake, because it has to come off in order to take that assembly out. You're going to take the whole knuckle assembly out, then have it pressed on and off with the bearing and such like that inside. That big nut right there is a 36mm 12 point. Not a very common tool. It is common on Volkswagens and Land Rover for that big nut right there. There's also little indentations in here. You have to hammer them out so that this nut itself does not walk out. Make sure you also smack them back in when you have the vehicle itself put back together. About 2-hour job. Fun part is everything's all rusty, so it doesn't want to come off very easy. That's about the gist of it. Nothing major, nothing really stupid, just a lot of rust penetrant, a lot of swearing, and just basic general stuff like that. But not too bad. Take you about a good 2 hours or so, front to get or start to finish. And then I had a machine shop press the bearing in and out for me. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.